Hey teachers, I'm going to show you how to use GradeTransferer to grab student grades from your Voces Digital activities so that you can easily transfer them to your district gradebook. Let's get started. Okay, so we want to be on the activity results page, and on this page, all you need to do is expand the activity where you want to grab your student grades from, click on GradeTransfer and the big green Grab Data button. And from there, your students' names and scores for that assignment will be retrieved, and you can look at them in this pop-up summary before transferring them over to your gradebook. And you'll see that the student scores are grabbed as points. If you do want to transfer these as a percent, or if you do want to round them, you can use GradeTransfer's scaling and rounding features as well. I do want to point out that if you have more than one activity expanded on the page, GradeTransfer will attempt to grab all of the visible student names and scores, which will create an issue because you'll have multiple scores for the same student. So to avoid this, just make sure to only have the one activity expanded that you want to grab from. But other than that, it's that easy. Expand and grab, and then transfer it over to your next gradebook. That's all for now. Happy transferring.